Hi friends, today we will learn how to complete UAE Corporate Tax Registration for a business, in a step-by-step manner. You should follow along and pause the video wherever you feel necessary. For more such helpful videos, consider subscribing to our channel. Before starting the process of registering for corporate tax, please ensure that you have soft copies of the following documents in PDF format ready. 1. Trade license. 2. Memorandum of Association or MOA. 3. Emirates IDs and passports of owners and authorized signatory. 4. Contact details, including office address. 5. Certificate of registration, if any. Okay, let's start. First, go to the EmaraTax portal and select the appropriate login mode on the logon page. If you choose to sign in with UAE Pass, you will be taken to the next page, where you must enter the required information. The owner of the company or authorized UAE Pass person will then have to confirm your login. However, if you do not have UAE Pass, you will have to choose the option for non-UAE Pass users. If you are already registered on the FTA portal, you can use your login credentials. Otherwise, you will need to sign up and create a new user account on the FTA portal. You will also need to contact the client for an OTP to verify the email address. Upon successful login, you will land on the home page. If the client is already VAT registered, the taxable person profile will already exist. If not, create a new taxable person profile by clicking on the Create New Taxable Person Profile ribbon. Enter all the required details. You can use Google Translate to enter the profile name in Arabic or copy it from the trade license. After successfully creating the taxable person profile, click the View option below the taxable person's name. On the following page, under the Registration Overview tab, click the ellipsis in the Corporate Tax section under the Action column. From the pop-up menu, select Register. On the Corporate Tax Registration page, scroll down and check the checkbox that says, I confirm that I have read the above instructions and guidelines, and click the Start button. This will begin the corporate tax registration process. On the Entity Details page, fill out the required entity details as per the trade license. Please note the date of incorporation is the date of issue of the trade license. Select No, in, Are you a qualifying public benefit entity, as we are not registering for any government entity? Scroll down further. Upload the certificate of incorporation if available, or upload the trade license. Enter the corporate tax period as per the Memorandum of Association. Click Next Step. On the Identification Details page, enter the identification details as per the trade license and scroll down. Upload the trade license, add business activities as per the trade license, and select the primary activity accordingly. In the section, do any of the owners hold 25% or more of the ownership? Verify with the trade license and Memorandum of Association. If any owners hold 25% or more of the ownership, select Yes and enter the owner's details, upload the required documents, and click Add. If no owners hold 25% or more of the ownership, select No. Scroll down further. In the section, Do you have branches in the UAE related to the trade license provided above? Verify with the trade license for any local branch. If any exist, select Yes, click Add New Branch, and enter the required details. If none, select No. Click Next Step. On the Contact Details page, enter the required contact details of the business and click Next Step. On the Authorized Signatory page, click Add Authorized Signatory, and in the pop-up form, enter the authorized signatory details as per the Memorandum of Association, and click Add. Click Next Step. On the Review and Declaration page, carefully review and verify all the details and scroll down. If satisfied, at the end, select the checkbox that says, I declare that all information provided on this application is true, accurate, and complete to the best of my knowledge and belief, and click Submit. On the Acknowledgement page, scroll down further and download the CT Registration Application Acknowledgement. That's it, you have successfully filed the application for UAE Corporate Tax Registration. Please like the video if you found it helpful. Tell us in the comments what other issues you need help with. See you in the next video.